Hi, Nicole here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is all about how to instantly improve your mobile photography. I can't wait to show you this feature that's in your smartphone that's going to help you so much. All right, let's get started. Okay, so when I was teaching a mobile photography course recently to adults and then also to kids around 8 years old, across the board, no one knew about this feature that's in the smartphone. So I wanted to share with you today so you can get out there and start improving your mobile photography as well. Here we go. When you go into your settings, you're going to scroll down until you find camera. You're going to click on camera, and halfway down you're going to see a section called composition. You will find grid. You will click grid on, so now it's green. And now when you go to your camera, you will have a grid on the screen, which is also the rule of thirds. Simply, the rule of thirds is that you're just bouncing your subject around the perimeter, or 2/3 of the perimeter, and you're just making more dynamic images versus always having your subject in the center. When you're looking at a photo, it's forcing your eyes to move around the image, and it just makes for a stronger, composed shot. So whether you're taking images for your business, product shots, team shots, just environmental shots, or you're out with your family, or you're on a vacation and you're traveling, this one tool can be used across the board, and it will drastically improve your images, and you're going to have so much more fun composing your shots. All right, check it out. Let me know what you think, if this was a new feature to you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.